The knowledge of Yahweh will cause your children to be of greatest relevance and significance. Your children shall be of the highest eminence and rank. Your children shall be first rate in all areas of life. Your children shall be first in order of time, existence, and development. Your children shall experience divine unity without division forever. Your children shall have the most flourishing state of existence throughout eternity. Your children shall have the choicest and best part of all things. Your children shall be prepared for the responsibilities of life. I repeat that again. Your children shall be equipped with the most extensive vocabulary on earth. Your children will be conversant in universal knowledge. Your children shall master courses in reasoning. The knowledge of Yahweh will cause your children to develop and form righteous habits, thoughts, and behavior by righteous discipline and instruction, which will make them worthy to enter the royal priesthood. Training up your children in the knowledge of Yahweh will give them the discipline and instruction, drill and practice designed to impart proficiency and efficiency in all areas of life. We will impart knowledge to our children by strict training, discipline, and repetition until they are masters. An example is exercises in math timetables. You cannot simply read the math timetables and use them. You must undergo strict training, discipline, and repetition to master the use of the timetables. Another example is exercises for musical instruments. You do not become the best musician by looking at the paper, looking at the instrument, holding it in your hand, and dreaming up on it by meditation. You have to go through strict training, discipline, and repetition to become a master of a musical instrument. Another example is voice training in opera. The knowledge of Yahweh will enable your children to make use of their mental powers. Remember the old adage, practice makes perfect? The knowledge of Yahweh will provide your children with what is necessary to rule forever. Training up your children in the knowledge of Yahweh will make them completely prepared and immediately available for action and use in sustaining our holy family, the nation of Yahweh. It is the responsibility of parents and the University of Yahweh to instruct our children in the divine principles, doctrines, ideology, laws, statutes, judgments, and commandments of Yahweh. We shall impress our children with the knowledge of Yahweh by repeated statements and admonitions. We shall teach our children persistently and earnestly to inculcate virtue in our children. We must inculcate our children with the love of the truth. It is our duty and responsibility to infuse loyalty into our children. It is our duty and responsibility to infuse integrity into our children. It is our duty and responsibility to infuse morality into our children. It is our duty and responsibility to imbue, inspire, and infuse our children with enthusiasm for the knowledge of Yahweh. The knowledge of Yahweh will instill courtesy in our children. They will demonstrate excellent manners. They will demonstrate excellent respect. They will demonstrate considerate acts. They will demonstrate polite behavior and moral social conduct. It is our duty and responsibility to infix the knowledge of Yahweh in the minds and memory of our children as a fact. It is our duty and responsibility to train up our children in the knowledge of Yahweh.
Greetings, Royal Family. Let's talk about the most prestigious private university in the universe, the University of Yahweh. It is here where students, parents, adults, and teachers study the divine mind of Yahweh Ben Yahweh, thus elevating them to contemplate and understand the loftier concepts and principles, enabling their minds to focus and think on an extraterrestrial level. This intellectual ability and unique set of skills supersede all base, mundane, and terrestrial thinking, thus allowing one's minds to open up and flourish with an overwhelming abundance of creative ideas and loftier concepts, making life and living more enjoyable. The University of Yahweh is woven deep within the fabric of the moral principles of truth, honesty, integrity, true holiness, righteousness, ethics, and justice for all. The University of Yahweh is designed for the Godhead, and this includes students, parents, adults, and the Godhead. In the University of Yahweh, the online platform, you gain a structured format to the approach of the divine mind of Yahweh. We welcome you to visit our website at www.universityofyahweh.org. This platform is specifically designed for the Godhead and the Godhead family. The 144,000 chosen to rule in righteousness. We look forward to working with you as we prepare for rulership in righteousness. Praise Yahweh, praise Yahweh, Beit Nun Sophie Yahweh. Shalom, Royal Family.